Found an HFP preset file for the classic Harry's Filters Photoshop plugin. This stores filter settings for the popular special effects plugin. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Harry's Filters preset files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading HFP file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. HFP files are preset files used by Harry's Filters, a free Photoshop plugin from the plugin site, offering numerous artistic and special effects filters. They store user-defined filter parameter combinations, enabling photographers and artists to save and reapply favorite filter settings for consistent creative effects across multiple images. HFP preset files use a Harry's Filters defined format, storing filter algorithm identifiers, parameter values, intensity, settings, and any custom configurations for the specific filter type. The compact format integrates with Harry's Filters preset management, enabling quick recall of complex filter settings within the plugin interface. The application responsible for generating the HFP file is typically Harry's Filters by the plugin site. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows cannot detect misuse of parameters, so editing without guidance can cause issues. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your HFP file and choose Open With. Use Harry's Filters if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If your HFP file will not open yet, do not panic. You're dealing with a truly tricky HFP file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, loading in Harry's Filters. Open Harry's Filters in Adobe Photoshop or another compatible host application through the Filters menu. Within the Harry's Filters interface, use the Load Preset button, typically marked with a folder icon or accessed through a menu. Browse to the HFP file to load and apply the saved filter settings. Next, sharing presets. Copy HFP files to the Harry's Filters preset directory, typically located in the plugin's installation folder for permanent availability. Share preset files with other artists who can place them in their own Harry's Filters preset folder, accessing the saved filter settings within their host applications. Finally, trying compatible hosts. Harry's Filters works in Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, Paint Shop Pro, and other applications supporting 8BF plugins. Install the plugin in your preferred host, then use HFP presets within the Harry's Filters interface in any compatible host application, maintaining a consistent creative filter workflow. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.